Hello friends. Welcome to Club Crafteria. In this video we will see about 8 simple actionable strategies to swiftly increase the sale in Etsy. 1. Optimize your listings. Etsy SEO. Use popular and relevant keywords in your product titles, tags, and descriptions to improve visibility in search results. Tools like Everbee can help identify high-performing keywords and best-selling products. Compelling product descriptions. Write clear, engaging descriptions that highlight the product's unique features and benefits. High-quality photos. Use professional, well-lit images that showcase your product from multiple angles. 2. Offer competitive shipping options. Free shipping. Shoppers are 20% more likely to purchase items with free shipping. Include shipping costs in your pricing if necessary. International shipping. Expand your reach by offering shipping to global customers with clear cost and delivery time information. 3. Run promotions and discounts. Offer time-sensitive deals like seasonal sales or discounts for repeat customers to create. Use Etsy's tools for abandoned cart discounts or favorite item promotions to target interested customers. 4. Leverage Etsy ads. Promote your bestsellers or mid-range products using Etsy ads to increase visibility. Start with a small budget and monitor performance closely to optimize ROI. 5. Encourage customer reviews. Follow up with buyers post-purchase to request reviews. Positive reviews build trust and influence potential customers. 6. Create product bundles. Combine related products into bundles at a slight discount to increase perceived value and encourage larger purchases. 7. Engage with the Etsy community. Join Etsy forums or teams to network with other sellers, share tips, and participate in community events, which can boost exposure. 8. Regularly update inventory and utilize scarcity tactics. Add new products or variations frequently to keep your shop fresh and improve Etsy SEO rankings. Highlight limited stock or time-sensitive offers to create urgency for buyers. Thank you friends.